today's video, I'm going to be replacing the alternator on this '03 Sonata. And you see all that oil there, which drops down to the alternator. Disconnect the negative side. $12mm. Press down, pull out. 12mm. If you take off the wheel, you have access to that bottom bolt. 14mm. Once you get the lower nut off, you don't have to pull this bolt fully off. The mount itself just slides out. So all you got to do is remove the nut. You just slide the alternator off. So I'm doing this because of the valve cover gaskets. That's why there's no upper intake manifold. You're going to have a lot more trouble trying to get it out from there. And there you go. Now we got our replacement. We'll go and install it. Torque I found online was 14 to 18 foot-pounds. Upper bolt, what I found was 105 to 130 inch-pounds. And don't be surprised, that tensioner is strong. And that's how you replace the alternator. I'm still doing the valve cover, so that's a different video. So if your valve cover is leaked onto your alternator, killing it, you're going to be doing this job at the same time. But that's the alternator itself. Now I'll go ahead and start it. And we're getting 14. We're good to go. And that's how you replace an alternator on these Sonatas. Hopefully this video helped you. Have a good one.